In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on your Wix website. This is a crucial step if you're looking to turn your site into a dynamic e-commerce platform. Whether you're selling products, services, or anything in between, setting up payments on your website will ensure a seamless and professional experience for your customers. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site editor. Once you're in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage and customize your website. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several options. What you need to click is Settings. Under Settings, you'll find Accept Payments. Selecting this will open a new window dedicated to managing payment options. Next, you want to click on Connect Payment Methods. This is the section where you will integrate your payment provider to facilitate transactions. Wix offers a variety of payment options, but for simplicity and efficiency, choose Wix Payments. Simply click Connect next to this option. Wix Payments is a popular choice because it's integrated directly into the platform, allowing for a smoother setup process and easier management. Now, it's time to fill out your business details. This is an important step, so ensure that the information you provide is accurate. You will need to input your business name, address, and contact information. Following this, enter your bank information where you wish to receive payments. This typically includes your bank account number and routing number. Lastly, Wix will require verification documents to confirm your business identity. Make sure these documents are up to date and clear, as this step is essential for the approval process. Once you've submitted all the necessary information and your documents are verified, you'll be approved to start accepting payments. From this point, your customers will be able to make purchases directly on your website, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Keep in mind that the payout time usually takes about 3 to 5 business days post-transaction. It's worth noting that this timeline can vary based on several factors, including your bank's processing times. With everything set up, you're ready to offer your customers a convenient way to pay, making your business operations more efficient. By following these steps, you'll transform your Wix site into an e-commerce hub that can handle transactions with ease, ensuring a smooth and professional experience for both you and your clients. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to explore other Wix features to optimize your online store. Please feel free to reach out with any questions in the comments section below. Happy selling!